fly one drone, it's not an issue. Okay, you just give him a sterile area and that's it. We are talking about multi-drones that actually communicate between themselves. They are not communicate between themselves because they are different drone manufacturers or coming from different drone manufacturers, but still they are monitoring with our software, and we can make sure that they are not collide, landing safety and everything, exactly like an air traffic controller.
What you see, for example, Tel Aviv and Hadera,
אנחנו רואים כאן את הנתיבים מאיפה המטוס ממריא, מאיפה הרחפן ממריא ולאן הוא מגיע בסופו של דבר. את הגובה שלו, אנחנו יכולים להסתכל גם כמות בטריה שיש לו באוויר וכל מיני תקלות וכאלה שבעצם אנחנו צריכים לוודא שהכל בסוף מגיע כמו שצריך.
Drones have been used by different companies in different areas, mostly rural areas around the world. We're trying to create a national network. So it's not one drone flying from one place to another. We're trying to create, but by the system you see behind us, a managing system that would enable many drones flown by different companies in urban areas flying together for many usages, such as medical delivery, such as security, such as food delivery.